Good afternoon, viewers. I would like to share with you guys this little uh, kit, you call it, that I bought from Amazon. I think both of them were a total of 25, two different listings though. It's a fuse circuit breaker. If you have a circuit that keeps blowing a fuse, you can use one of these, and this will trigger and you can press it back on. Say, fuse saver, you can call it, save some fuses. This 8, they came all together, and this is the part number for it. 8 pieces, and these 6 pieces all came together, and these are the values we have here. We have 5, 6, 7.5, and 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30. Here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this happened that I'm working on a 2020 Nissan Altima that keeps blowing a fuse right here. So this one has these little fuses, small ones. What do they call them? I think they call them micro fuses. Micro, but with a long leg. Let me, oh yeah, right here. These ones, and this is not gonna sit. You see how? What's the difference? So for that, I want to share with you guys this kit. GTC, I think this is a $10 or $15, I'm not sure, but also from Amazon. What this does actually, let me open it. This kit has 6 pieces. There's smaller kits, but I prefer to pay a little bit more for the whole thing. So I have all of them here. The most common ones are these. These are for the older cars, bigger fuses, but these ones are the most common, and these ones, these 3 are the newer vehicles. So this is going to be matching this fuse. We're going to use this, and I'm going to use one of these extensions probably, and two wires, extensions on these 2 pins, and then between them I'm gonna use one of these. I also have this kit, which is this one right here. Blue Point, I bought it used, YA8005. I bought it used from eBay, but this one has the only 3. It has the 15, the 20, and the 10. It doesn't have the 5, the 25, or the 30. And that's how I found these, because I was looking for individuals ones like this to buy and complete my kit, but I couldn't find them. Well, instead I found these, and these are way cheaper than those. And so I'm gonna try these for the first time. I haven't tried them before. There's gonna be a review for those. I also have those, what do you call them, fuse buddies, fuse extensions, I'm not sure. I can use those also along with one of these. Like, I can put this, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna use this. I don't need no wiring, because this one matching our fuse. So, and these were cheap also, $5, $10, I'm not sure. But I have this came with this, and I have this also from before. But yeah, this one, if you want to check current on something, and I can use this along with this one or with this one, to have more options anyways. But yeah, we're gonna use this. Oh, by the way, this one comes off like this. So I'm gonna use this with what do we have, 15, so this here, and we're gonna put it in a fuse, and we're gonna see if that's gonna work for us. Alright, let me just make sure that the key is on. The key is not on. Let's put the key on. Nah, I don't want to start it. Alright, I'm about to insert that here. See what's gonna happen. There you go, it triggered. So that's cool. So let's put it back in one more time. Right here, Windows. There you go. See it? So, and I don't smell any smoke from it. So it's definitely working. Yeah, I would recommend it. $25 well spent on both of them. I guess I could, since I have these adapters, I could just get this. But I'm like, you know what? Why not? Only $10, $12. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. I always buy tools and share them with you guys, and hit that notification button if you would like. Thank you so much.